Hey everyone, if you're running a Shopify store, you know exactly how important it is to get your products seen by potential customers. That's where search engine optimization or SEO comes in. Today I'll show you how to supercharge your Shopify store's SEO using the free Smart SEO app. No fluff, no jargon, just actionable tips. I'll assume you already have a Google account and Webmaster Tools set up before we begin. If you haven't, check out the link in the description for a quick guide on setting that up. The app we're focusing on is called Smart SEO, which you can find in the Shopify App Store. It's designed to simplify the most essential SEO tasks so you can spend less time worrying about your search rankings and more time growing your business. I'll walk you through how to install the app, connect your sitemap to Google, how to fix broken links and optimize your meta tags. We'll also generate structured data and manage alt text effortlessly. Ready to rank higher and drive more traffic? Let's dive in. In the apps, go up to the apps and do a search for Smart SEO, and it's this one by Sherpass. Install, and then just give it the permissions, press install. And I'm just going to pin this to the navigation menu so it's easy to find, and then I'm going to select the free plan. And then it's got a quick video walkthrough. And then you can close that once you've watched it all. Once it's installed, we need to make sure it's set up correctly so we can see the app status not integrated. Then just click on setup. And it's going to scan your store. And then we just press integrate. So this may take a few moments. And we now see it's integrated into our store. And then we need to manage the app extensions, manage. And we can see we've got Smart SEO is on and broken link detection is on. So we're now good to go. One of the first things I'm going to do is enable broken links. So I go down to broken links. This will do this automatically on the paid version. On the free version, we're going to have to do it manually. So I'm going to get it to do a crawl. And then we want to make sure that the 404 user hit status is on, because this will tell you if there's any broken links from external sites like YouTube or other websites that's sending people to the wrong page, because then we can fix this later on. Press refresh to get it to do a scan. So that's good so far. And I know if I type in this specific link, we get an error 404. So I'm hoping the SEO system's going to pick it up. So I've let it run and we can see it's found this. And then I can go to edit. And then I can put my repaired URL in. So a lot of people are landing on this one. And then I can just go to free and then go to the free title pack page and copy my URL. Paste in the proper repaired URL, tick this, and then go back to the URL that was broken where it wasn't found, refresh it, and then press fix, and then we'll refresh it. I did press refresh a few times and eventually it's updated. I think it's just a caching issue, so that definitely works. So that's how you fix broken links. Next thing we're going to do is go to our sitemap and connect our SEO system to Google. And then we're going to connect it to Google Webmaster Tools. And then just sign into your Google account and just select all to give it all the permissions it needs and press continue. And there you go, your sitemap submitted to Google. So it's adding all your products, your collections, blogs, articles, and pages. We're now going to have a look at meta tags by going into Smart SEO meta tags. And we see there it gives you a score out of 100%. Obviously, 100% would be better. 50 is pretty marginal, so we're going to tweak that. So I'm going to go and edit my main title pack here. So I click on the little edit symbol. So it's loading the SEO score. And it's basically saying our description exceeds 160 characters. So we need to fix that. So this bit here is too long. Our title is okay. So we just need to get this description down to 160 characters to get a higher ranking. So I shortened it to about 154. You can now see that we've got a score of 100%, which is great. And everything's in the green. So our title looks good, our description's accurate, and there is our Google advert. And once you've done one, it's pretty much the same for the rest. You press go back, and then you start on the next product and repeat the process. With this, again, I just go into edit, and I'd add my title, my meta tags, and optimize it until it's happy. I've gone through each product, and as you can see, I've added in a title, so it says what it is. And then I've added the meta description and kept it under 160 characters. And whenever you're working on these, just remember if you make any changes or you update them, press save. So the changes are applied. And then when you go back to your meta tags, you should see they're all up to date. So I'm quite happy. All of these are in 100%. So let's move on. Next, we're going to have a look at alt tags. And what these are, it's basically when Google sees an image, we're telling Google what the image is. So I'm going to click on this pack here and just give it a name. Go through each one and just tell Google what it is. And then tick here to say you've ready. And just repeat the process, press the edit, tell Google what it is, and then press the tick. Once you've done all your products, you can do the same for collections, articles, and then I'd highly suggest going through your files because that's where most of them are going to be. If you've got landing pages, so you could tell it what all of these different things are. And that's about it on the SEO. Image optimization, that's on the paid version. I believe on the free version, you get about 53. And then page speed, we'll have a quick look at that. Again, that is a paid feature. JSON LD, paid feature again. We won't look at that. And that is just about everything. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit that like button and smash that subscribe. And well, if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice. And thanks for watching.